Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your Xenogrow 2 license and enabling two-step authentication so access stays secure. Next, install the core package v2. 0 or later and allocate at least 8 GB RAM and 1 CPU core. This prevents slow processing. Once done, create a dedicated data folder, /Xenogrow/data, set permissions to 755 and back up any previous configs so you can revert. Make sure network ports required by Xenogrow are open. This avoids connectivity failures during the next steps. You now configure the processing pipeline using the setup wizard to select batch versus live mode and define your sample rate in HC so timing matches incoming data. Then map input sources and apply preprocessing. Normalize values, apply denoise filters, and set crop thresholds to remove outliers. That improves model stability. Afterward, choose output formats like CSV and JSON and establish a storage policy with incremental checkpoints. This preserves progress and lets you resume without reprocessing large datasets. You finish by running the validation suite to confirm accuracy, latency, and resource usage meet expectations. This verifies the pipeline before production. Once validated, deploy Xenogrow 2 and monitor logs closely, setting alerts for CPU, memory, and error rate spikes so problems surface early. If a failure occurs, first inspect config file syntax and permissions, then verify network port mapping and dependencies. A single misconfigured port or wrong permission often causes the majority of stoppages. Rerun the validation after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.